Last episode you took a piece of the front of the row. Now you want the other end, the guest who arrived last. To find that today, you would count the whole row, then step back 1. That is the shorter way. So you put a minus in front of the number. Guess -1 hands back the last name in the row. You counted nothing, and it did not matter how long the row was. Now the part that catches everyone. The front of the row starts at 0, but the back starts at 1. There is no -0 because -0 is just 0 and 0 is already the first slot. -2 is the second from the end, and it keeps going that way. And because a string is a row of characters, the same minus works there. Mira -1 is the letter A. So a minus counts from the end, and the end starts at -1, not -0. Let's write it. Line 1 is the guest list, the same 4 names. Line 2 asks for the last guest. Line 3 asks for the second from the end. And line 4 takes the last letter of a name. Run it, and every answer comes from the other end of the row. Kabir is the last guest. Rohan is second from the end. And A is the last letter of Mira, with no counting anywhere and no length to look up. Your turn. Type those 4 lines in any editor, save it as ends.py and run it. Then change the -1 on line 2 to a -4 and run it again. Watch Arjun come back. Next episode, leaving a number out. How an empty side of the colon means all the way to the end. See you there.